Hi, this is Mike, and I'm back to show you how to do another repair on a home humidifier. These were sold on Amazon.com, mostly made by a company named Mooka. They don't make these anymore, so I thought it might be helpful to make this video. If you do like it, was helpful, please like the video, because I almost didn't make this video, but I went ahead and took the time to. This particular model is ST800, and the first thing you have to do is remove these, and I've actually already loosened them. They're 4 rubber footings that actually hide the screws. Once those are removed, obviously you just take your Phillips head screwdriver and loosen those. You'll want to do this from this angle, by the way. It's a little harder when you're shooting a video, but so do it with sitting upright. So you're just going to lift this off and set it over here to the side. Now this particular fan right there is going to be your culprit. They spin, and then obviously after a year or two they start to collect dust and can make noises. Okay, the fan on the right is actually the one that came out of the device, and you can see that there, and this is the one on the left that I purchased, and he has quite long cord. I've already snipped this one off, and then what I did was I just stuck the wires inside of there to the corresponding black positive and negative, and then I put a little bit of electrical tape to hold it in place. I mean, obviously there's a number of ways you could handle that. I just thought that was the easiest way. The thing about it is these connectors are not necessarily, finding one that's the exact same style is probably going to be difficult. It doesn't really matter as long as it's got a connection. It's not going to come loose. So, and as you can see, these are pretty much the same. There may be slight differences, but you can see in the video in a moment that it does fit perfectly. I'll put a link at the bottom where you can purchase that as well. In this particular case, you can see I've actually already made the repair, and the second prong on this one was where the fan plugs in. So you can just snip that and then connect them back together. You can solder them if you wish, or just use some black electrical tape there to hold that together. And really, it's just that simple. You swap it out. I'll put the link in my description below where you can purchase these fans on eBay. They're pretty universal. The connectors are a little bit different, which is why you may have to just use the old connector and then just tie those in together. And in this particular case, I actually didn't remove the connector on the old unit. I'll show you here. I actually just took the wires and stuck them in the corresponding positive and negative right inside of there, and then tape that together. And that's what you can see that I've done here. So here we go. Back in business. You can barely hear the fan at all. It's actually, you can tell it's blowing a lot more powerful like when it was brand new. So this definitely makes a huge difference. Again, I almost didn't shoot this video, but I figured, well, they sold these on Amazon. Chinese like to make cheap crap like this. It breaks after a couple years. Maybe I can save some other people some money. So if you did find this useful, please comment below and like it, so I know that I'm not wasting my time making these videos for people.